Heading to the airport in 10 minutes. I've got my flight to Kuala Lumpur, then on to Colombo, Sri Lanka. That'll be my first time in Asia.
You can talk, man. It's all good. Sometimes talking is cool. It gives it more soul.
So I've just come through security. I've got about an hour and a half, 2 hours till my flight. Although I've got to get there really early because boarding time is like 40 minutes or something. And then, yeah, flying to Kuala Lumpur first. And then from Kuala Lumpur to Colombo, Sri Lanka.
Caught in traffic, but it ain't slowing me up. I took my foot off the gas to ease up. Got no worries because we ain't in a rush. If dreaming could open doors, my money $1 million long. Tell Papa I made a living off stories that made these songs. Grab whiskey for celebration, grab homies to keep me warm. Tell shorties to come on over and tell them stay off their phone.
To Kuala Lumpur, it was a 9-hour flight from Sydney, and now I've got like a 3-hour wait. I've just had some food in order because I haven't had any in quite a while. I'm literally just sitting on the floor, just charging my laptop with the English plug. Yeah, just gonna do some editing and stuff. It's quite comfy on the floor. Just arrived in Sri Lanka and it's like 4 in the morning in Sydney, so I'm so tired, but so excited. Get my luggage, then we'll go off to the hostel. Just got to the hostel. I paid way too much for the taxi here, like 2,000, which is just way too much for this country. There's like no one in this hostel, so it's a bit weird. Like I've got my own room for myself, woo woo, and I didn't pay that much. It's not much at all. Yeah, first proper day in Asia tomorrow. So excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna make a plan with the guy, and yeah, should be a good day. Good night, because I'm very tired. Hostel. Whoa, look at that. This is at the end of my hostel. Like, this is just unreal. Probably gonna get bitten and get malaria, actually. First sights, because it was dark last night and I just got here and it's amazing. Look at the water. I've already got some great feelings about this country. First proper day in Asia, so yep. I'll have some food and then we'll go out and explore. So I've just got my SIM card and just been exploring around a little where my hostel is. It's crazy, like it's pretty manic, but it's so cool. It's such a different culture and just so amazing. Just took my first ever tuk-tuk ride. It was pretty cool. It wasn't as manic as I was expecting, but it was so cool. And the beaches here. This is the Indian Ocean. I've never touched the Indian Ocean before, and I'm going to in a minute. This is Raveen. He's an English school teacher in Sri Lanka, and he's brought his students to this beach, so we can meet foreigners like me, so to practice their English.
Let's express ourselves. Life without a warning might not end up well, but we'll find out in the morning. When the honor wakes me up, we can do it all again because it's just the two of us.
Is that? Did you just catch that? You just caught it in the sea. How did you catch it? So I'm going to have lunch with these people I met, some Sri Lankans. Yeah, they asked me out for lunch, so I was like, yeah, sure. It's going to be quite cool going into their van for a little journey and then stop off and have some lunch.
No, I'm on my own.
So I've just left. I left the guy. So I went to lunch with the guy, and it was really good. It was lovely, classic Sri Lankan curry. And yeah, I'm back at the beach now. I'm probably going to end the vlog now, and yeah, just sun and everything. And we'll start talking again tomorrow. Trip up to Australia.
When the sunshine wakes me up, I don't need to give in to bullshit. Oh no.
Yeah, whatever. We'll read it later.
You hit my phone up and ask where the boost.
Met a friend. I don't know what his name is, but he's a cool guy, aren't you, mister?